Hey guys, welcome back to Mind Pump TV. I'm your host, Serene Wilkin, and in this video, I'm going to really break down a lot of questions we get regarding foam rolling. Is it good? Is it bad? What does it do for your body, and how can you really use it as a tool for mobility? Now, if you're on the subject of mobility and you want to improve your range of motion, go ahead and check out one of our webinars. Adam did a great job breaking down your body into segments and really talking you through a mobility routine. So make sure you check that out, and let's get started. So when we're talking about foam rolling, what we often see people doing is just rolling back and forth over a muscle. We're not really achieving just a one spot placement of the foam roller and allowing the muscle to relax. And if we do that, that helps the CNS kind of calm down and help that overactive muscle begin to release after 15 to 30 seconds. Now, why is that important? It's important because at that time when we have this window where the muscle is now in a more of a relaxed state than overactive, we have the ability to apply bigger range of motion for the joint itself, as well as apply more stability or strengthening exercises for the weaker muscles that are not overactive, that actually need some work. So using it as a tool beforehand, before you guys do your mobility work or your specific strength training exercises to gain that range of motion and to gain that control is a great way to do it. Some common areas that we often see people rolling is going to be their calves, just complaining of them being too tight and rolling up and down the calf muscle. Another area is going to be our quadriceps, rolling up and down the legs. Our back is also common, so people roll their entire spine up and down while they hold their head and lift their hips. And people can also roll their glutes as well. Some of us can use different tools like balls up against a wall and really get into our trap area, trying to release those areas before we do any kind of mobility work. Now, there's nothing really wrong with going through these areas and rolling, but we want to achieve these points of contact and really try to release the muscle that's overactive so then we can apply the mobility work on top of that. So a very common misunderstanding is that foam rolling breaks up scar tissue, it breaks up adhesions, it helps break up the fascia, it does all these miracles, right? Let's think about more or less what we're trying to do. We're trying to calm down the CNS, right? We're talking about muscle activation here. We've got too much of a muscle turned on, and we want to release that signal of that muscle so we can activate other muscles. So we're not really technically breaking down tissue. It might cause pain, but think of pain as more or less like a message saying that this is overactive. This is what we need to add balance to rather than just attacking it and rolling over it and expecting it to go away, because we really want to get back to the root cause of what's going on with the muscle imbalance. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you are really serious about moving better, feeling better in your body, I want you to really make sure you watch that webinar. There's a ton of great information on it. It's completely free to you guys. It's all about mobility. So we want you to feel better, gain more information, and really succeed in your efforts of moving. Thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you soon.